Bonjour. This is the review for l'examen CISA surprise. C'est pour français 2. Pour la première part, c'est vocabulaire, ok? Comme toujours. Ok. What you're going to have to do is trouver les mots associés au mot présenté, okay? So you want to find the word that actually is related. So, par exemple, si le mot est la jeunesse, okay, if the word is la jeunesse, what you're going to do is there's going to be a few options here, B, C, D, and you're going to choose the one that would be associated with la jeunesse, okay? So then you have yes, l'hôtesse, s'inviter, ou la glace. Okay, so la jeunesse is youth. La vieillesse is old age. Then you have hostess and guests and ice cream. So obviously the one that would be related would be the one that's also talking about a stage of life, right? So that's how you guys are going to do the first 4 questions. And then the next half of your vocabulary, I'm just going to go like this. The next half of your vocabulary is going to be fill in the blank, but you do have only 4 options and only 4 questions. So it's not too bad. You're going to choose between those 4 depending on what's going on in this sentence, okay? So if the sentence is talking about going somewhere, okay, so Marie et Georges are going to a something d'anniversaire, okay, some kind of birthday something, right? So if your options were retirement, party, cake, guests, okay, then you would need to choose the correct one for that sentence. So there's another 4 of those. So altogether you have about 8 in your vocabulary. So just make sure that you are familiar with the vocab words, and you should be good on the test on that section. Now moving down a little bit, I left a couple of questions in here for related to the video, related to the script that you guys presented. So let's do a video script ici. So what you need to know is what occasion, okay? Let's just say why. Why was Sandrine cooking? For what occasion, okay? And numéro 2, who bought books? And the calculator. Ok, c'est tout pour ça. Et après, c'est culture. Bon, culture. And for your culture section, what you need to know is where does le plus grand carnaval de France, okay, pas le monde, France, where does it take place? Et what does le 14 juillet, what does it represent? Okay. Après ça, you are going to have to do les adjectifs démonstratifs. Bon, grammaire, c'est ça. Okay. Right here, let's do démonstratif. Démonstratif. Okay. Les adjectifs démonstratifs. You're going to have to choose between se and set for masculine, set for feminine, and save for plural, right? So what you do is you look at the blank and you look at what comes after the blank. So if after the blank is fait, you know that fait ends in an E, it's féminin. D'accord? Je vais utiliser le féminin, set. D'accord? Et ici, passé composé. You guys have done a lot of practice on passé composé. Hopefully you are good with this. So if you have mange, and you're going to put this into the past tense, passé composé, you're going to have to change it to j'ai, if it's je, manger, right, with an accent, okay? If your verb was prendre, you're going to have to change it, okay? So you would change it to vous savez. Never forget your helping verb, so important. And then pris, because he's irregular. There are going to be there's only one irregular on this test for passé composé, so just make sure that you are familiar with those. Make sure that you write down this review. It is a minor grade. It's going to go in the grade book. Look over it, study it, ask me questions if you have any about this. And your test is Friday, mon chance.